right, that's it. That is everybody. The folks at BlackScorpioEnterprise.com, they're connected. The folks on Twitch TV at DJ Roddy G, they're connected. The folks at See Jamaica Live on YouTube, they're connected. The folks at DJ RODDYG on YouTube, they're connected. Hold on. As I think about my Facebook peeps who are also connected, I realize something is missing. Can't start the show and not give recognition to my virgin Dante. Good morning. Alright, the morning there was a Dante alone. Let's greet everybody now. Good morning, Facebook family. I'm not going to do that for every platform. So big up the people on YouTube. Good morning to Uno. Big up the people over Twitch. Good morning to Uno. Big up the people on BlackScorpioEnterprise.com. Big up to Uno. My voice echo through the place. That echo on every platform. Hold on, let me mute every other platform. Good. So, phone time for talk now. Talk to me. First of all, we need somebody to get the texting going, making sure that the chat is properly populating the screen, because I don't see the message from the start, although I'm just looking at the screens. But I see that the Duke is here. Good morning, Sparky Melody. I see that Christine is here. Good morning, Christine. Of course, Don T is here. Good morning to Don. Boy, Don, I can't wait for you to tell me say somebody contact you. I don't know work on our project. I go fire in a virgin. Yes, man. Say yes, no? Alright, so the messages are coming across. And that's the indication and invitation to everybody on whatever platform you're tuned in on to be part of the program. Yeah, man, send in the comments. Tell me how yesterday went for the folks in the States. How was your Thanksgiving? Any drama? Any excitement? Anything out of the usual? Tell me, no, man, me like a mix-up business, you know. And if it was just a nice, calm, loving interaction, you can share that too. I love the positivity. So, I'm not going to share this morning? Or will it be like pulling teeth? Is it that my folks have not yet wake up? They've not yet recovered from their Thanksgiving activities? Yeah, man, my Facebook feed look empty. My Facebook people, them not there. But I got my folks on See Jamaica Live. Please, don't be shy. Participate. So this is Roddy for the Road. I'm your host, DJ Roddy G. It's your Music Intense morning show, but we also look forward to your conversation, your participation. So, at 11 minutes after 7 on the 29th day in the month of November, a Friday, let's get the music going. Let's do it like this. We're here another day above ground.
Give praise, children.
We got some music.
Give praise.
We got friends. We got family. We got life.
Give praise.
We got ready for the road. So let's get ready for the road.
Oh, Father, who has given us His arms that we can all feel like we're a part of this earthly heaven. Forgive us this day our daily weakness as we seek to cast our mortal burdens on your city. Oh, merciful Father, in this bacchanal season when men lose their reason, but most of us just want to wine and have a good time, 'cause we're looking for a line, because we're feeling fine, Lord. And as we jump up and down in this crazy town, send us some music for some healing. Everybody hand raise. Everybody give praise. Everybody hand raise. And if you know what I mean, put up your finger. And if you know what I mean, put up your hand. And if you know what I mean, put up your finger. And if you know what I mean, then scream. Oh, oh, oh. Give Jah His praises. Oh, oh, oh. Let Jah be praised. Oh, oh, the Father in His mercy, He sent a little music to make me vibration raise. So Carnival Day, everybody come and celebrate, yeah. Everybody come and celebrate. See the ragamuffin congregate, yeah. Everybody come and celebrate. And everybody say, eh, 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 I love the country. Well, let me hear you sing it. Eh, 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 I'm feeling irate. Ooh, eh, 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 I love the country. Well, let me hear you sing it. Eh, 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 I'm feeling irate. Oh, our Father who has given us His heart so we can all feel a part of your heaven. Good morning. Forgive us today our daily weaknesses as we seek to cast our mortal burdens on your city.
Let's send a big shout out to Lenny Matic.
On this lovely day when we come out
Blessed morning, bro.
this way and we break it.
Welcome.
Some will say what they have to say, but only you know the pain we're feeling.
Good morning, Nikki.
As it was in the beginning of Tuesday, good vibes till Carnival Tuesday. Take it up. Everybody hand raise. Everybody give praise. Everybody hand raise. And if you know what I mean, put up your finger. If you know what I mean, put up your
Especially when Kim find Paul with the better mix your fast like high speed internet. Not be boy, I don't remember. Festival is our time to get on and unwind and do the things that we normally. People with drinks in hand, some whining fine like sand. Make sure you understand that you can tell no one.
Rock and come in, baby oh, baby, me say rock and come in, baby oh, baby, me say rock and come in, baby oh, baby, me say rock and come in, baby oh, baby, me say rock and come in. I mean, that they pull it like and come in. If all the car stop and come in, how they ready just rock and come in, rock and come in. I mean, that they pull it like and come in. If all the car stop and come in, how they ready just rock and your body clean, girl, you are a queen.
Gotta say good morning to Stacy.
IG,
I see her rocking and coming in.
what you permitting?
Happy Friday to you too.
Baby, me say rock and come in. Baby, oh.
Roddy G
Baby, me say
is
rock and
your
come in.
morning man.
I mean, that they pull it like and come in. Oh, if all the car stop and come in, how they ready just rock and come in, rock and come in. I mean, that they pull it like and come in. Oh, if all the car stop and come in, how they ready just rock and your body clean, girl, you are a queen. LTIG, what you permitting? Want it permitting? Baby, me say rock and come in. I mean, that they pull it like and come in. Oh, if all the car stop and come in, how they ready just rock and come in, rock and come in. I mean, that they pull it like and come in. Oh, if all the car stop and come in, how they ready just rock and come in. The way she move her body, I'm making me. I can't tell nobody, she making me. Cause when she roll a bumper, a finger. Girl, just take me number, take your phone, I got. Tell one of your friends, I'll link up with me chat. We locking down the dancer, rounding up the party. Baby, it's a rock and come in. I mean, that they pull it like and come in. Oh, if all the car stop and come in, how they ready just rock and
Roll it, gal, roll it, gal, roll. Control it, gal, roll it, gal, roll it, gal, roll it, gal, roll. Control it, gal, roll it, gal.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Roll it, gal, roll it, gal, roll. Control it, gal, roll it, gal, roll. Roll it, gal, roll it, gal, roll. Control it, gal, roll it, gal. When them fly up in your face, gal, make them know them place number one in a the race, gal. Goodness
you flying, flying all night. I love how you whine. I love how you whine up. I love how you whine on me. I love how you whine up. I love how you whine on me. I love how you crying up. I love how you whine on me. I love how you whine up. I love how you whine on me. Make me say, I didn't expect it like this. I catching feelings. I catching feelings. I didn't expect it like this. I catching feelings. I catching feelings. You got me wanting more. All I do. When you touch me so. All I do. You set me on fire. Put me in a mood, darling. I'll sing like a choir. How's it feeling good? If you ever feel the thing, na na na. You know what you're doing to me. I love how you put up the thing, na na na. You know what you're doing to me. And I never thought I'd get hooked. Your wine capture me like a crook. Look at you, how you have me catching feelings.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Hello, 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 hello.
Good morning.
Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, she had the thing I love. How she from I don't know. Rock she waist and go low. Pick up the place like a dojo. So what you say, what you say, what you say? Pretty girl, when you come my way. Now what you do, what you do, what you do? I must get through. Girl, roll up your way, show me that wine. Turn around, girl, don't be shy. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, so girl, I love how the way you blow my mind. Hold me tight and bring that wine. Hello, 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 hello. Lord, hey. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Are you ready for it? You want give me that? No hold back. Wind it up, right there. Front to the back. No long time. Just come to me. I'll give you that sweet type of love. Sweet type of love. Come give me that sweet type of love. Real type of love. Hold me, darling. 'Cause whole night we jamming. Give me the island breeze, cool them vibes, coconut jelly, peas and rice, house and land, and we sharp like a knife. Green in abundance, real love
Good
around me.
morning.
Yeah. You want to know where we coming from? Say you want come look for me. Yeah. If you're willing to have some fun, I could keep you company. Move that way, come girl, blunder right by me. Squeeze that tight, make it trip down there. Neighbor, oh yes, you kindly. Miss Jolie, know your mango sweet so. Jolie, know your mango sweet. Tell me how it ripe and sweet so. Jolie, know your mango sweet. It's been a while, yeah. Oh yeah. Since we built the vibe, yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, yo, so live it.
Shout out to the ladies with all of sweet mangoes. Oh, no mango season now. Oh, which fruit in a season right now? Which fruit is in season in the tropics? It's not mango season. Mango season gone already, not to lie. Anybody who have mango now, it have worm. It's not the season for mango. But good morning to all the beautiful ladies who have some gentleman out there asking them how something's so sweet. Yeah, whatever sweetness you have, pick up yourself. Ladies, you have something that is sweet, no? Say yes. What you call your sweetness? Guess asking Jolene how she mango so sweet. What he ask you? When he turn around and look at you and say, oh girl, you got that sweetness. What he call it? I want to know. He says, so no private business. All right, keep it private then. Let time you keep music play. Sounds of Cass asking Jolene how she mango so sweet.
Cool them vibes, coconut jelly, peas and rice. Oh,
Must be a Julie mango, yeah?
green in abundance, real love around me, yeah.
You want to know where we coming from? Say you want come look for me, yeah. If you're willing to have some fun, I could keep you company. Move that way, come girl, blunder right by me. Squeeze that tight, make it trip down there. Neighbor, oh, yes, you kindly. Miss Jolie, know your mango sweet, so Jolie, know your mango sweet. Tell me how it ripe and sweet, so Jolie, know your mango sweet. It's been a while, yeah. Oh, yeah. Since we built a vibe, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, yo, so let me build it. Girl grind fine like chili, baby. Real things start, I no time for no gimmicks. Good vibes only, keep that around me. Keep that around me, let me build it. Move that waist one time skillfully. Girl, you know you look so fine naturally. Real vibes only, keep that around me. Watch how the vibes them sweet. Cool and nice, whole thing set up. Peace on my mind, roll that thing and now we take flight. Trees in abundance, see it all around me, yeah. So let we jam with the heart and love. All our we is family, yeah. It's all long on the ground, girl. You know that this is the season, baby. See that it? Nothing sweeter, girl, know it. Don't throw stone, girl, I go pick. Neighbor, oh, he ask you kindly. Miss
If you're looking for sweetness to put inside a basket, I am the holy blinking market. Pump for pump, drop every bum bum down to the ground. Everything fresh, the market open. If you're looking for sweetness to put inside a basket, I am the holy blinking market. And if you're looking for sexy to throw inside a basket, I am the blinking market. Sweet like a truly mango and jam, stickiness running down all your hand. They say, what a sweet woman. They say, what a nice woman. Skin like cocoa in the sun and a heart to find like governor plum. They say, what a sweet woman. They say, what a nice woman. Oh, juiciness, squeeze my honey juiciness. Bumper looking like a apple, bite into the fruitiness. Everything fresh, look at the shelf. When you come late, everything.
Listen, when you're on the people at radio, you have to know what you say when you say what you're saying now. Stacy taking me on. Stacy said she got star fruit. And she still got mango. Her mango ain't got no worm in it, a bright. Well, big ups to you and your mango. I couldn't leave out the soca section without dropping this one because you see there? For all of them who don't have no mango, you still got some sweetness in the basket now. Whatever you're looking for, she got the whole blinking market. Whatever you're looking for to put inside your basket, Nade, what she say?
If you're looking for sweetness to put inside a basket, I am the whole blinking market.
You don't need to shop nowhere else. She got the whole blinking market. Shout out to the ladies with the full market now. Anything you want in the basket.
Looking for sweetness to put inside a basket, I am the whole blinking market. And if you're looking for sexy to throw inside a basket, I am the whole blinking market. Sweet like a truly mango and jam, stickiness running down all your hand. They say, what a sweet woman. They say, what a nice woman. Skin like cocoa in the sun and a heart to find like governor plum. They say, what a
Soca music is what gets us going this here Friday morning. Look on the chat, Wagwan, on the broadcast. We have Lloyd in Yonkers. I laugh on a Guan because him retired and him not have no work for God do this morning. Only work him have to do is whatever house chores he assigns himself. And him over there compare with Dante, who says, yes, our government workers, they have to the same way. So it's all about the house chores as well. So when I brag and boast how him retired, I want to say, don't worry yourself, me soon reach there. But I don't have nothing else better to talk about. Let's talk about the grown women.
This one going out there to all the ladies. Grown woman.
Show of hands, the grown women on this broadcast. Show of hands, the grown women on this broadcast. Let me see who I'm playing this song for.
This one going out there to all the ladies. Grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. She knows where she's coming from, and she knows where she's going. She's got nothing to prove. It's not about age, it's more about maturity. And if we're on the same page, then she's the one for me. Grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. She's affectionate, I love her every move. Full of energy and always in the right groove. She's a lady who is royal, ride or die kind of girl. She is a loyal grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. She can be solid as a rock or gentle as a flower. When she step out, she's the lady.
I do believe this one goes out to Shar as well.
Fabulous.
Shar, Alyssa, good morning. Good morning to Simonese. Simonese, you need to raise your hands. Because this one goes out to you too.
This one going out there to all the ladies.
Shout out to Bedan, I'm checking.
Grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. She knows where she's coming from, and she knows where she's going. She's got nothing to prove. It's not about age, it's more about maturity. And if we're on the same page, then she's the one for me. Grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. She's affectionate, I love her every move. Full of energy and always in the right groove. She's a lady who is royal, ride or die kind of girl. She is a loyal grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. She can be solid as a rock or gentle as a flower. When she step out, she's the lady of the hour. Fabulous in all her glory. She's been there and done that. She's got her story. Gypsy, you turn on my love light.
Good morning.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Gypsy, Gypsy, you turn on my love light, and whatever you want now, tonight is the night. Gypsy, you know that you got me the way that you want me. Love me tonight, and I want your love so badly. Yes, I do, girl. You know I do, and I want to hold you close to me. You're my world, my gypsy girl. Gypsy, with eyes that see through me, with arms that surrounds me, you got me tonight. Gypsy, I'm under your spell now, and you know me well, girl, so love me tonight.
Good morning.
'Cause I want your love so badly. Yes, I do, girl. You know I do. And I want to hold you close to me. You're my world,
Ronnie G is your
my
morning.
gypsy girl. And I want your love so badly. Yes, I do, girl. You know I do.
I was traveling along my merry way and met this lovely lady from Japan. She said, I'm new in town, I'm on a holiday, and I am looking for a man. I said, my pretty young thing, you've come to the right place. That description fits me perfectly. She smiled politely, took a long look at my face, and this is what she said to me. Hey, if you can't see
You know, some never asked a question in a public before. I want to answer. What is Suki Suki? If you can't Suki Suki, say Nara. If you can't Suki Suki, let me go. What is Suki Suki? Now, I want to answer because I be a big people up on the broadcast right now. So, somebody tell me, I never asked before in a life. I'm just hear the lyrics and it just so nice. I never really get a second thought. But I'm thinking about it this morning. Somebody tell me, when Charlie say, the lady say, if you can't Suki Suki, say Nara. If you can't Suki Suki, let me go. What she mean? What she mean? What is Suki Suki? know, Stacy makes life so much fun. You see what she gonna do?
Her cigarette, she shook her head. So vigorously, she also shook her breast. No matter what I did, no matter what I said, I just could not hold her interest. I said, my dear, I'll gladly give you what you want, and you wouldn't have to beg me, please. But now I don't know if I can or if I can't, 'cause I don't speak a word of Japanese. No, you can't.
In response to my question, what does Suki Suki mean? Stacey Ann suggests it means if you can't pay the bills, go on about your business. No, it does not mean that, Stacey. Big up to Lenny Matic, you know. Lenny Matic, I Google help you. You Google it like how me Google it a while ago. Yes, it means that you're romantically interested. It means you're romantically interested. So yeah, so big up to Lenny Matic. That is the correct response. We'll continue with the music, you know. And it's now 30 minutes before we get to the hour of 8 o'clock. And I feel like say we'll continue like this.
Brown girl in the ring, tra la 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 la. Brown girl in the ring.
Good morning.
Brown girl in the ring, tra la 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 la. She looks like a sugar in a plum. Show me your motion, tra la la la. Come on, show me your motion, tra la 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 la. Show me your motion, tra la la la. She looks like a sugar in a plum. Brown girl in the ring, tra la 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 la.
I don't like that copy there.
Brown girl
I get rid of it.
in the ring,
Play that copy.
la 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 la. Brown girl,
Yeah, this sound like it.
tra la.
Where do I want to come from?
She looks like a sugar in a plum. Plum, plum. Show me your motion, tra la 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 la. Come on, show me your motion, tra la 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 la. Show me your motion, tra la 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 la. She looks like a sugar in a plum. Plum, plum. Oh, head water run dry. Nowhere to wash my
Good
clothes.
morning.
Old head water run dry. Got nowhere to wash my clothes. I can remember one Saturday night with dry fish and Johnny cakes. I remember one Saturday night we had dry fish and Johnny cakes. Back it in, stick it, back it in. Heidi, Heidi, ho. Heidi, Heidi, ho.
Who remember these songs?
Heidi, ho.
Who remembers?
Heidi, Heidi, ho. There's a place I know where we should go. Heidi, Heidi, ho.
Shout outs to the folks in the US of A.
Eat it thick.
No work today?
Heidi, ho. There's a brook nearby, the grass grows high. Heidi, Heidi, ho. Where we both can hide side by side. Heidi, Heidi, ho. Hooray, hooray, it's a holly holiday. What a world of fun for everyone. Holly holiday. Hooray, hooray, it's a holly holiday. Sing a summer song, skip along. Holly holiday, it's a holly holiday. There's a country fair not far from there. Heidi, Heidi, ho. On a carousel, the ding dong bell. Heidi, Heidi, ho. On the loop-de-loop, we'll swing and swoop. Heidi, Heidi, ho. And what else we'll do is up to you. Heidi, Heidi, ho. Hooray, hooray, it's a holly holiday. What a world of fun for everyone. Holly holiday. Hooray, hooray, it's a holly holiday. Sing a summer song, skip along. Holly holiday. There is boy child, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forever.
forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible said, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flock by night, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir sing a song, the music seemed to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Aglow, all the bells rang out, there were tears of joy and laughter. People shout and let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace.
Now Joseph and his wife Mary came to Bethlehem that night.
They found no place to bear the child, not a single room was inside.
And then they found a little nook in a stable all forlorn. And in a manger, cold and dark, Mary's little boy was born.
Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today,
And man will live forevermore
because of Christmas Day.
I'm about to play my absolute favorite song for the season.
Day 1. Dear Nuala, thank you very much for your lovely present of a partridge in a pear tree. We're getting the hang of feeding the partridge now, although it was difficult at first to win its confidence. It bit the mother rather badly in the hand, but they're good friends now, and we're keeping the pear tree indoors in a bucket. Thank you again. Yours affectionately, Gubnet O'Lunacy. Day 2. Dear Nuala, I cannot tell you how surprised we were to hear from you so soon again, and to receive your lovely present of 2 turtle doves. You really are too kind. At first, the partridge was very jealous and suspicious of the doves, and they had a terrible row on the night the doves arrived. We had to send for the vet. But the birds are okay again, and the stitches is due to come out in a week or 2. The vet's bill was £8, but the mother is over her annoyance now, and the doves and the partridge are watching the telly from the pear tree as I write. Yours ever, Gubnet. Day 3. Dear Nuala, we must be foremost in your thoughts. I had only posted my letter when the 3 French hens arrived. There was another sort out between the hens and the doves, who sided with the partridge, and the vet had to be sent for again. The mother was raging because the bill was £16 this time, but she has almost cooled down. However, the fact that the bird's droppings keep falling down on her hair while she's watching the telly doesn't help matters. Thanking you for your kindness, I remain your Gubnet. Day 4. Dear Nuala, You mustn't have received my last letter when you were sending us the 4 calling birds. There was pandemonium in the Pear Tree again last night, and the vet's bill was £32. The mother is on sedation as I write. I know you meant no harm, and remain your close friend, Gobnet. Day 5. Nola, your generosity knows no bounds. 5 gold rings. When the parcel arrived, I was scared stiff that it might be more birds, because the smell in the living room is atrocious. However, I don't want to seem ungrateful for the beautiful rings. Your affectionate friend, Gobnet. Day 6. Nola, what are you trying to do to us? It isn't that we don't appreciate your generosity, but the 6 geese have not alone nearly murdered the calling birds, but they laid their eggs on top of the vet's head from the pear tree, and his bill was £68 in cash. My mother is munching 60 grains of Valium a day and talking to herself in a most alarming way. You must keep your feelings for me in check, Gobnet. Day 7. Nola, we are not amused by your little joke. 7 swans a-swimming is a most romantic idea, but not in the bath of a private house. We cannot use the bathroom now because they have gone completely savage and rush the door every time we try to enter. If things go on this way, the mother and I will smell as bad as the living room carpet. Please lay off. It is not fair, Gobnet. Day 8. Nola, who the hell do you think gave you the right to send 8 hefty maids of milking here to eat us out of house and home? Their cattle is all over the front lawn and has trampled the hell out of the mother's rose beds. The swans invaded the living room in a sneak attack, and the ensuing battle between them and the calling birds, turtle doves, French hens and partridge made the Battle of the Somme seem like Wanderley Wagon. The mother is on a bottle of whiskey a day as well as the 60 grains of Valium. I'm very annoyed with you, Gobnet. Day 9. Listen, you louser. There's enough pandemonium in this place night and day without 9 drummers drumming, while the 8 flaming maids of milking is beating me poor old alcoholic mother out of her own kitchen and gobbling everything in sight. I'm warning you, you're making an enemy of me, Gobnet. Day 10. Listen, manure face. I hope you will be haunted by the strains of the 10 pipers piping which is sent to torment us last night. They were aided in their evil work by those maniac drummers, and it wasn't a pleasant sight to look out the window and see 8 hefty maids of milking ho-going round with the ensuing punk rock uproar. My mother has just finished her 3rd bottle of whiskey on top of 124 grains of Valium. You'll get yours, Gobnet o' lunacy. Day 11. You have scandalised my mother, you dirty Jezebel. It was bad enough to have 8 maids of milk and dancing to punk music on the front lawn, but they've now been joined by your friends, the 11 lords a leaping, and the antics of the whole lot of them would leave the most decadent days of the Roman Empire looking like Outlook. I'll get you yet, you owl bag. Day 12. Listen, slurry head, you have ruined our lives. The 12 maidens dancing turned up last night and beat the living daylights out of the 8 maids of milking because they found them carrying on with the 11 lords a leaping. Meanwhile, the swans got out of the living room where they'd been hiding since the big battle and savaged hell out of the lords and all the maids. There were 8 ambulances here last night and the local civil defence as well. The mother is in a home for the bewildered, and I'm sitting here up to me neck in birds' droppings, empty whiskey and Valium bottles, birds' blood and feathers, while the flaming cows eats the leaves off the pear tree. I'm a broken man. Gobnet o' lunacy.
Moves our time now to 8 o'clock. Let's move along with the pace like this.
Through the test of time, realize and understand.
This is how I say good morning, King Malakia. Good morning to the Duke, Sparky Melody. Good morning to the Governor, Keith Cole. Good morning to Don T, Don Bass Music Productions.
In my shadow, through the test of time, come to realize and understand.
Good morning to all the folks on the C Jamaica Live Connection. Everybody on my own YouTube channel at DJ Roddy G. All the Facebook family. And all the Twitch family.
Go there in my shadow, to never have sunlight on your face. You've been content to let me shine. You always walked a step behind. I am the one in all the glory.
see your light shine. You're a real one, the gentle kind. You're not perfect, Lord knows you have some secrets hide. But I will keep them since it's been a while that I see you making effort to show me your mind.
Good morning.
So I know just how to ride. Over and over, we will choose each other together. Through all the tests and the pain, make us really strong so none of it will be in vain. If you only know, babe. If you only know, babe. You only know, how far I'd go for you. If you only know, babe. If you only know, babe. You only know, how far I'd go for you. Take what you need and give me something to believe. It's not what you see, I'll give you something to feel. If you only know, babe.
Days and months go by, and I'm missing you surely. Can't wait for you to hold me. Wanna rock you slowly.
Good morning.
This is the sounds of my brethren Rasai, featuring Drew Keys. This one titled, let him say it in the song. Here it goes.
Days and months go by, and I'm missing you surely. Can't wait for you to hold me. Wanna rock you slowly. Naysayers pass by with their bad intentions, won't look in that direction. They just need some self-reflection. 'Cause your love gives me a sensation. Build this house on a firm foundation. In my life, you're a revelation. Girl, your heart is my destination.
Roddy G is your morning.
Wrapped in my arms where you belong. Nights without you seem so long. Doing my best to hold on, hold on. Every note, every line, every melody, every rhyme. So many memories over time. Girl, your love gives me a sensation. Built this house on a firm foundation. In my life, you're a revelation. Girl, your heart is my destiny.
Your love struck me down lightning. Thunder
in my soul, baby. My heart beats for you only. Every word is true. I'm in love with you. Take you as you are, lady. You ain't gotta change for me. Need you from your crown, honey, right down to the sole of your very feet. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby, please. Don't hurt me just because you know I forgive. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby, please. Don't hurt me just because you know I forgive. Hold me until we die, weather together the storms of life. It won't always be sunshine, baby, we're blends of imperfection. Oh, oh, oh. Give me your heart and soul, love me like you've never loved before. Beautiful morning dew, I'll be your shoulder to cry on to. Yeah, girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby, please. Don't hurt me just because you know I forgive. No, my love grows stronger each day, baby, please. Don't hurt me just because you know I forgive. Still stop it, stop it. Still it up, stop it, You ain't gotta worry about a thing, girl. Heaven every time you let me in, girl. I know you've been waiting for a king, girl. Oh, wait, oh. I breathe this peaceful love, a soft life. I breathe this peaceful love, soft life. Said it's cool like a breeze in the evening time, and it feels like a river flowing through my mind. This peaceful love, oh, oh, soft life. Can I take you somewhere where your mind will be at ease? Can we have something rare where we stay out the drama, please? Good Lord, I've been waiting for this too long, for your tender kiss. Can we go there together? Spiritual bliss. I breathe this peaceful love, soft life. I breathe this peaceful love. Soft.
A big shout out to Jorge. Loving the reggae music in the morning. Good morning to Paula H, joining us over there on the YouTube channel.
Peaceful love, oh, oh, soft life. And I say, can you take a walk with me? We go into Maturity Street. Honesty is everything, 'cause we're not afraid of anything.
Costa Rica on the live.
Hey girl, speak your mind. No judgment this time. If we go there together, then our hearts will be fine. I breathe this peaceful.
Dooba 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 dooba, baby.
Soft
the way you think you got me,
I breathe
baby.
this peaceful.
I see that twinkle in your eyes.
A soft light.
Black Queen, be mine forever. Your love I will always treasure. As the
From the sounds of King DL to the sounds of Samri I, this one titled The African Daughter.
Black Queen, be mine forever. Your love I will always treasure. As the Rasta, me no one no other. Royal African daughter, are you alone my heart desire? To have you close to me will light my eternal fire. I look in your eyes and I know I wanna hold you. Your sweetest embrace will set my heart free. I thank God for the opportunity to love you. Then you will always be my ayata, my royal African daughter. Your beauty is sent from Jaja, my beautiful Nubian daughter. Are you alone, my prefer? My always and forever. Your beauty is sent from Jaja, my beautiful African daughter. Are you alone, my prefer? My always and forever.
You're my biggest secret. Love. My love for you's a mystery, mistress. I can't express my thoughts, my interest.
Hey, this is the sounds of Raga Jamari. He is the son of Grammy Award-winning engineer Nigel Burrell. Hey, Nigel, pick up yourself, you know. Anybody know Nigel? Yeah, man, Harmony House engineer, Barry Salmon engineer, current engineer. Yeah, man, I'm theme son this, you know. How him sound? Tell me if I go and play music, you know. Raga Jamari is his name. This one is titled Secret Love. Let's take it from start. In on the reggae segment for the Lovers Rock.
Roddy G is your morning man.
A mystery mistress. I can't express my thoughts, my interest. Kept inside my heart, felt distress for never telling you, cause I was scared of losing you. My love for you's a mystery mistress. I can't express my thoughts, my interest. Kept inside my heart, felt distress for never telling you, cause I was scared of losing you. Feeling this amount of pressure on me. Should I tell you not my honey? My secret crush, I'd rather be your lovey. But this friendship means much more to me than dovey. I wish that I could tell you what I'm thinking. Wonder if the signs are even blinking. Cause speculations come about of what they've witnessed. I smiled and denied, I kept it hidden. The mute I never understand your charisma. Didn't see the ray that I saw in your presence. Love, it wasn't clear to me. You were just being real. Understand my love. Your beauty lies within your personality, you know. I'm amazed by your strength, your wisdom. You're a true friend to me. But my love for you's a mystery mistress. I can't express my thoughts, my interest. Kept inside my heart, felt distress for never telling you, cause I was scared of losing you. Cause my love for you's a mystery mistress. I can't express my thoughts, my interest. Kept inside my heart, felt distress for never telling you, cause I was scared of losing you.
They say the sun and I shine for all.
Scotty G is your morning man.
These roads of flames are catching a fire. Showed you I love you, you called me a liar. Oh no, 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 no. Baby, tell me where you gone. I've been feeling for your love so long. We can praise God in the moonlight. Baby, if you with me, better do right. And I've been gone too long, and I'm hoping that you sing my song. I've been on this road for way too long. I've been hoping that we all get along. These roads of flames are catching a fire. Showed you I loved you, you called me a liar. Give God the thanks and praises. I've been on my own, but we ain't never left alone. And if I'm telling you the feeling is wrong, relax a little, friend, this won't take too long. And when you're feeling alone, you can call my phone. Is there a better way to go? Teach them something before they lose their soul. Oh no, 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 freedom is the road. Oh no, 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 coming in from the cold. Tell them not to sell it, it's worth more than gold. And
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same room, yeah. But just provide a bread. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know now. I've got to know.
From the gong to the junior gong. This is Damian Marley. My Sweet Lord, the title. Let's take it from start.
Roddy G, baby.
Roddy G is your morning man.
My sweet Lord, my Lord, my sweet Lord.
Let's say good morning to Amanda, Wisconsin, checking in.
I really wanna see you.
Morning to Major. What's that? Chutzpah? Hope I got that right. Morning, Major.
My sweet Lord. Oh, my Lord. My sweet Lord. I really wanna know you. I really wanna go with you. I really wanna show you, Lord, that it won't take long, my Lord. My sweet Lord.
Dante sending a shout out to the guitarist on this track. Yes, the guitar is prominently featured and he played it well. But you know, some love the backing vocalists them too. They just come in smooth. Listen again. Even the hands. There are so many things to listen to in this piece of music. What's your favorite? Take a listen. Choose your favorite aspect of the song. Take a listen.
My sweet Lord, my Lord, my sweet Lord. I really wanna see you. I really wanna see you. I really wanna see you, Lord, but it takes so long, my Lord, my sweet Lord. Oh, my Lord, my sweet Lord. I really wanna know you. I really wanna go with you. I really wanna show you, Lord, that it won't take long, my Lord, my sweet Lord. Oh, my Lord, my sweet Lord. I really wanna see you. 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 But it takes so long, my Lord, my sweet Lord. Oh, my Lord, my sweet Lord. I really wanna know you. I really wanna go with you. I really wanna show you, Lord, that it won't take long, my Lord, my sweet Lord. Oh, my Lord, my sweet Lord.
What a sweet piece of music. Type of song you could have on replay. The Duke says, recognizes it's a George Harrison original, but Gong nailed it.
My sweet
Paula says the fact that he sounds like his dad, that alone does it for her.
My sweet Lord.
Hey, big shout out to Kamal. Imhotep on the check-in. Music.
Wanna see you. I really wanna be with you. I really wanna see you, Lord, but it takes so long, my Lord, my sweet Lord.
my sweet Lord, Lord of Lords, my sweet Lord, oh my Lord, my sweet Lord. Tonight is the where more than one is gathered in His name. The Most High is in the midst. Let Jah be praised continually. Yeah.
Thank you, Jah, you rise me in the morning.
Tonight is the
Roddy G is your morning
His
man.
name. The Most High is in the midst. Let Jah be praised continually. Yeah.
Thank you, Jah, you rise me in the morning. Oh yes, you keep me sheltered like a awning. You keep my limbs and all my organs them performing. Oh Jah, you patient with me, keep me warm, you're charming.
There goes the rain again. Here comes the sun shining through. What more can I do but thank you, Lord? Oh, I'm so blessed to feel the morning dew. Birds are singing while the sky is blue. What more can I do but thank you, Lord? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Light unto my feet, lamp unto my path. Bless your soul, bless my heart. Without your mercy, I would be distraught. Thanks in all that I do. Your mercy surround us, just like the rainbow. Trust in Jah love, if you never know. Jah love is true, it is sure, and I want you to know it is pure. Just like the
Here goes the rain again. Here comes the sun shining through. What more can I do but thank you, Lord? I'm so blessed to feel the morning dew. Birds are singing, yes, the sky is blue.
What more can I do but thank you, Lord?
Thank you, Jah. Yeah, some I worship, some I pray. Me do that every day. No matter what I want from you, me never stray. Sometimes me disobedient, but will never disobey. Me bless you every night on the pillow when me lay. Jah, Jah, you are my healer. Beg you take the wheel, yeah. Big up who say amen, but me say sealer. You see me junk out with righteousness and not tequila. Somebody tell the media that children them can't get rid of.
There goes the rain again. Here comes the sun shining through. What more can I do but thank you, Lord? Oh, I'm so blessed to feel the morning dew. Birds are singing while the sky is blue. What more can I do but thank you, Lord? Thank you, Lord.
I woke up like a nightingale saying, hey, word, do you hear me? Where the sunshine, with the rain, I'm always up full and I'm cheery. And singing thanks and praise me and the pigeons and pacheries. The rest of you can join in and we always sing sincerely, cause we can fly cause our feathers were not made with flaws. We abide by Jah alone and not your man-made laws. And we are in tune with nature so we can prepare for storms. So we will make it through the storms and hurricanes.
There goes the rain again.
Here comes the sun shining through. What more can I do? I thank you, Lord. And I'm so blessed to see the morning dew. Birds are singing as the sky is blue. What more can I do? I thank you, Lord.
There goes the rain again.
Here comes the sun shining through.
What more can I do but thank you, Lord?
I need no backing track because right now just want to thank everybody who is locked into this broadcast, whatever platform you're on. We truly appreciate love you sharing your time, your attention on this broadcast. And listen, from a brethren, come out, who check in, what a joy it gives. So you know, say anytime a musician friend them check in, you know. anytime the artists them check in, we have to show them a special love and appreciation because trust me, without them we wouldn't dare play the music. You understand? So it's a symbiotic relationship and we treasure it, we respect it, we honor it, and we say good morning to Kama Imhotep representing for the brand Cusick this morning. And he might represent for me. So let me just play that one here and start a different segment at 34 minutes after the hour of 8 o'clock. Halfway through the show, let's go.
Hey, you don't know enough Cusick can represent for the big bad Roddy G.
Rush the Roddy.
Hey, don't run, put the thing in
the plate.
Culture we are dealing around here. You see?
Shot boat.
Roddy G go stand up first.
Good morning.
Hey, you don't know enough Cusick can represent for the big bad Roddy G.
Rush the Roddy.
Hey, don't run, put the thing in
the plate.
Culture we are dealing around here. You see?
Shot boat.
Roddy G go stand up firm when him a defend for we culture. And him not take no talk from no imposter. Him never bow to political pressure. Burn, burn, hey Roddy G a stand up firm. So come declare no intention. Reject that Trojan ass out of the center. If you no forward fi benefit the people. Burn, burn, burn.
Tell them no bother come around here with no different ways. And let come more we here, we use them in a foul play. If you're not uplift the people, better let go around here. Take away yourself and go on.
Yo, yo, you see the caring and the sharing in the Roddy G blood. Anyway, him go, him teach them one love. But no make the love in full, you cause him serious like Joe. No far from the guillotine.
Roddy G go stand up.
Hey, respect Sparky Melodies. Sparky Melodies, take it from start.
Hey, don't run, put the thing in
the plate.
Know that no.
We are dealing around here. You see?
Shot boat.
Roddy G go stand up firm when him a defend for we culture. And him not take no talk from no imposter. Him never bow to political pressure. Burn, burn, hey Roddy G a stand up firm. So come declare no intention. Reject that Trojan ass out of the center. If you no forward fi benefit the people. Burn, burn, burn.
Did you tell them no bother come around here with no different ways. And let come more we here, we use them in a foul play. If you're not uplift the people, better let go around here. Take away yourself and go on.
Yo, yo, you see the caring and the sharing in the Roddy G blood. Anyway, him go, him teach them one love. But no make the love in full, you cause him serious like Joe. No far from the guillotine.
Music rocking music, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Roots rocking music, go there, go there, go there. Sure. Ain't no black, no white, no color people. It's just the human race. Your love we send to all them smiling faces from place to place. Whoa. So let's all live in love and take care of Mama Earth.
You better know that.
Show love to all the people. Cause we all share this world.
Too long we've been separated. These ways it's just evaporate them. Cause we are still one family, no matter the skin tone. Let's stand for the young and the old. People living there and people living from afar. Clean up and liberty. We are one world community.
That's why we tell them, no separation, one creation. Every man feel live up in a one iration. Music I send out one love invitation. Them want destroy me, I know them made me a cha-cha.
There ain't no black, no white, no color people. It's just the human race. Your love we send to all them smiling faces from place to place. Yeah. So let us all live in love, yeah, and take care of Mama Earth. Show love to all the people, yeah, cause we all share this world.
For the culture, 876 to the world. Bossa Blanc for the culture, for the culture. Black, green and gold on the way. Me sing the one ya for the culture, for the culture. Alexei and Madam Play.
it on the tube, yo. Spotify and Celly, yo. Bass rock heavy, yo. The culture corner every corner, and I'm a seated. Hot as steam, carry juice, we are go beat it. Now watch it, but they start to ordinary news. Killing no step on no tourist shoes. Cause this your culture made me give up all my papers. I know my passport change it cover says Jamaica. To all me love the culture, all me hear a Congo. I know me say Wagwan instead of bonjour, no. Yeah, I'm Italian but I'm not Columbus. I mean no tell no lie to Congo. It's for the culture, for the culture. 876 to the world. Bossa Blanc for the culture, for the culture. Black, green and gold on the way. Me sing the one yeah, for the culture, for the culture. Alexi Yarman, light us up for the culture, yeah, for the culture.
We're the survivors. How can you be sitting there telling me that you care? That you care. When every time I look around, the people suffer in the suffering in every way. In every way. Black survivor. No, 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 no. We're the survivors. Yeah, the black survivors. I tell you what, some people got everything. Some people got nothing. Some people got hopes and dreams. Some people have ways and means. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah. We're the survivors. Yeah, the black survivors. We're the survivors. Yeah, the black survivors.
Roddy G is your morning mix.
When I talk about fight, then I talk about me. Born survivor from in my mother belly. Broke barriers, revolutionary. Yeah, that's my mentality. Got women on the slavery. Like the great Bob Marley, me emancipated, not incarcerated. Can I make the way Central Park 5 exonerated? When me elevated, yo. I just meant to have a black woman. Me say the loud and proud, but I'm for winning, man, yeah. No come good means a soul survivor. So them send for the bad guy to build up this life.
Yeah, watch you now.
We're the survivors.
Hey, follow me now. Are you going? Hey, watch you now. I'm hunting like a tiger, dexterity of a spider. In the street survivor like a busman or a taxi driver. I rat a yet a young rider. Cause you fi skiller than my guy, but we survive them tiger. Hey, watch your style ya. Enough of them juvenile ya, them out them kind ya. Young and restless, running breathless like a quarter miler. A ton provider called the band trip while ya. We lay the tracks like how them lay them tile ya.
We're the survivors. The black survivors.
For generations, they had us focused on elocution. That was a distraction, so we wouldn't notice the many intrusions. But Bob Marley done give it a soundtrack for the revolution. And now we load up, ready for run the rule, create solutions. Not only outrun them, we outsmart and outgun them. We survive 50 alive, but we try to make it bun them. We see them and now we try, so we get out from among them. Cause the year with them a breed, can't touch it now, we hold them. Education, deprivation turned out to be a blessing. Lies, misinformation weaved into every lesson. We paranoia till we long time not trust it. And now them I wonder why we boast it. But make them know them can't stop we, cause we are we're the survivors.
Then I want something more, someone more like me. There's times when this dress rehearsal seems incomplete.
Roddy G is your morning
the
man.
colors in me like no one else. And behind your dark glasses, you're something else. seen right through and underneath, and you make me better. I've seen right through and underneath, and you make me better, better, better.
You want me real Bridgetown, me like the heat from the fire. You were always burning anytime you're around. My body keeps calling for your touch, your kisses and your sweet romance. Another side of you, when this a woman you are. Aside from your temper, everything else is good for me, baby. All that I'm sure. 'Cause over and over again, me want
I said if we never get a chance to be together, go with ya, trying to love ya. I said it's a pity you already have a wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity. I say it is a pity you already have your wife, and me have a one man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity. I woulda liked one of these mornings to wake up and find your face on a pillow lying right next to mine. I woulda cut out the party and the smoking and the rum and bust the extra wine and make we see the possible. Every time I fantasize, me see your lips, me see your eyes, your trigger finger do something that left the rude girl hypnotized. For you it's just a thing, just another little fling. But for me this is heaven and the angel them a sing. It's a pity you already have a wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity, 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 pity.
Tell her try your best just to make it quick. Come and tend to the sick. Cause there must be something she can do. This heart is broken in two. Tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the name of Gregory. Night nurse, only you alone can quench this your thirst. My night nurse, oh gosh, oh the pain is getting worse.
After you made my day, hurts to know you're going away. Seems like my life begin to ruin now that you're departing pretty soon. But what more can I say? Yeah, sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving. I know that you will return real soon. You can send me a postcard, mail it to Dusaya. You know what loneliness brings, but I will guide you out and coming in. What more can I say? Sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving, but I will guide you out and come. Yeah. I hear you telling everybody how you glad I'm gone. Did you tell them how you cry whenever you're all alone? We know for both of us there will never be another So forget your foolish pride. Let's get back together. Who cares who was right or wrong? Right or wrong, I just know I miss you, and by your side is where I belong. Do you miss me a little bit, baby? 'Cause I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Yeah, yeah.
Miss you, girl. Miss you. Roddy G is your morning.
He said if you take me back, people will call you a fool. Deep down in your heart, you miss me as I miss you.
Don't want nobody a ball, so them now pull up token this morning, you know. So I make sure me a look.
I hear you telling everybody how you glad I'm gone. Did you tell them how you cry whenever you're all alone? We know for both of us there will never, never be another. So forget your foolish pride. Let's get back together. Who cares who was right or wrong? Right or wrong, I just know I miss you, and by your side is where I belong. Do you miss me a little bit, baby? 'Cause I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Yeah, yeah.
Miss you, girl. Miss you.
Why torture me? Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me. Why torture me, baby? Why torture me? Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me. Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you care. Though you keep on saying you really, really, really love me, do you say the same thing to someone else when I'm not there? Torments my heart, keeps us apart. Why torture me? Every time you call me and tell me we should meet tomorrow, I can't help but think that you are meeting someone else tonight. Why should our romance just keep on causing me such sorrow? Why am I so doubtful whenever you are out of sight? Torments my heart, keeps us apart. Why torture me? Darling, if you love me, I beg you wait a little longer. Wait until I drive all these foolish fears out of my mind. Why should our romance just keep on causing me such sorrow? Maybe I'm suspicious 'cause your love is so hard to find. Torments my heart, keeps us apart. Why torture me?
You're in my life, and I'm so satisfied. Your love and mine, two hearts that are entwined. So many times I thought I'd never find what I'm searching for. I wanna say tonight, you were the one to restore my love. Baby, tonight, all I want is you and I. You are the one I will love until the end of time. Baby, tonight, let me take your hand without someone to give your heart. I'm gonna take this time to say what is on my mind. So many times I thought I never find what I'm searching for. See, to love someone is sometimes easier said than done. Baby, tonight, all I want is you and I wanna show you my love. I will love you till the end of time. Baby, tonight, let me take your hands in mine. I wanna tell you my love. I will love you till the end of time.
Oh yeah, seems I'm losing you. Oh yeah, listen, if something's wrong, please tell me. Something feels so strange, baby. You don't answer your phone and you don't call me. Something feels so wrong, baby. When you're laying beside me, you feel so far. Recently, I've been thinking, if I'm not mistaken, I heard you call another man's name while sleeping. Words going around, say you know want me again. You tell your friends any day now, our relationship will end. And them I watch, sit down and I wait. They wanna see us break up, walk out, lose everything we build. And them I chat, and them I wait. They wanna see us break up, walk out, and lose on everything we built. Now 15 years can't go in vain, and this feeling's driving me insane. Giving you everything, even my last name, wedding bells and a diamond ring. You don't say I love you anymore. Something feels so wrong, baby, and you got me feeling insecure. Love don't feel so strong lately, and words going around, say you know I'm me again. You tell your friends and it ain't now, our relationship will end. And them I watch, sit down and I wait. They wanna see us break up, walk out, lose everything we built.
You came to me out of a dream, the sweetest thing I ever seen. You changed my life completely. Then you wrapped yourself around my heart, breathe the warmth into every part, oh, and watched me fall so deeply. I need more love, I need more love, oh, on and on forever. Don't wanna stop, I need more love, I need more love. Can't get enough. Oh, I need more love. Ooh, yes. Hey. Now every time I feel you near, there's a promise no one else can hear. Oh, reaching through the silence. Cause we're moving to an inner beat, two hearts that were made to meet, waiting for the moment. I need more love, I need more love, on and on forever. Don't wanna stop, I need more love, I need more love.
The sounds of Slash. Wonderful cover of For More Love. Moving on time now to 9 o'clock. That means we got 1 hour left inside the show. Big shout out to everybody still locked in, everybody still watching, listening on whatever platform. Shout outs to the folks over there at BlackScorpioEnterprise.com. Enjoying the listening experience. those on the YouTube at See Jamaica Live, those at DJ Roddy G, and the folks on the Twitch feed, good morning to you. What about my Facebook family? On quiet this morning, eh? Thanksgiving mashing up. All right, no worries. I know you're still tuned in. I know you're still listening. So at this time, you know, we're going to change lane. We're going to stay up on the same reggae highway. But we're going to change lane. We just eat off me H a while ago, don't. I never say highway. I say highway. But we're going to stay on the same reggae highway. Let's go make a small lane change. Listen how we'll make the lane change now.
Leave your keys if you're not coming home. You packed your bags full of letting go. You were moving in, now you're moving on. There's no getting used to you being gone. You were down, now you give it up. Just a false start if you're quitting on us. Another year, another life. Wish you'd call so I could say goodbye. To let you know I'll wait for you every night. If you ever wanna fall in love, if you ever wanna bet on us, if you ever wanna be my one, I'll be waiting. If you ever want one more night, if you ever wanna make things right, if you ever wanna change your mind, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. Never thought you'd be giving up. Guess with all the climbing you're tired and you fell out of love. Maybe if you don't crash the landing, you'll end up right back where I'm standing. And then you'll know I'll wait for you every night. If you ever wanna fall in love, if you ever wanna bet on us, if you ever wanna be my one, I'll be waiting. If you ever want one more night, if you ever wanna make things right, if you ever wanna change your mind, I'll be waiting. Yeah, Roddy G, you know we steer, yeah them know we style. Always a smile, but my dogs them wild. Chop up the road, yeah we call it up a car. Not trust nobody, just say hi and bye. We up, yeah. Roddy G, yeah, yeah, yeah. And we up, yeah, 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 yeah. Tonight, Roddy G just wanna be high. Yeah, yeah. Tonight, Roddy G just wanna be high. I just wanna be yeah.
These are the time, don't watch the clock right now. Them know we dark, but we are start right now. Where we are, Balenciaga, we run the place. Feeling wanna grab up on a feeling, girl screaming when I reach in. Everything seems so cool, and I'm here for you. All I wanna do tonight, I just wanna be tonight. I just wanna be yeah, yeah. Having a bad day, girl, I know you can assist. Make we get wasted and just like a pass.
conquer the globe.
River boss, hear me no glory. Them need to know me story. Me never have one linky way shake it. Me never have one linky way where you act like a lady. And me never have one linky way man I call baby. Me never have one linky way 'cause none of them no crazy. Hear me no quarry. A gal alone a grip me like a wristman. No boy can bowl.
It is a Friday, so give way for the party vibes. It is the start of the weekend. So I take it easy upon you, but we still have to take it a little party settings. A little club vibe in the early morning. Say yes.
Woman I'm your assistant. Me never have one linky with shake it. Me never have one linky with act like a lady.
We know you know nothing with you. If you're not showing no progress, man figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. Cause them are none them chat about things and them screw. I just saw them tongue tan. As to when your bread come from. A jail bunk them want see man head pan. A your nice life them want see you dead from. Nah, them can't check me and kill me can't dead so. Them must send a bag of news to your woman for your woman left, yeah. Life is like the weather. You have to go through the season. A simple strap line, you. People cheers and you don't know the reason. The people now have no direction. And of them are trying to lead you. We couldn't work. From him I work with him. Mama said good mix with a lot of evil.
Because me know my place, me know me know the worst. Even though me know the best, me I do what I can. So Jah we do the rest. Rastafari, I. Down a jungle, down a Rima, down a 2 mile, down a Pearland, down a Boston, over Waterhouse, down a Riverton, Seaview Garden. Tell them we're proud always, proud of the dungeon. That's how we come from. So me proud of every hungry day, so that me man so brave. And me proud of every broke days, cause no man a slave. Me proud of who you is, proud of the dungeon. That's where you come from. You need to be proud of every hungry day, so that make you so brave. I'm proud of every broke days, now you need to save hungry.
Determination and me title. From your lazy, Jah no like you. You are not strength God bold when the strength is inside you. No one know the time for your idol.
Roddy G is
do not be
your
envious of
man.
evil men, nor desire to be with them. For their heart devises violence, and their tongues talk of troublemaking.
I beg you, please don't let me go. When my God do if you let me know. Protect me, youths, me begging you. All of them are wanna be ya. We are judge a big man, judge I beg you, please don't let me go. When my God do if you let me know. Protect me, youths, me begging you. All of them are wanna be ya. We are judge a big man. So many more. Youths, Babylon are gonna murder. Can't take it no more. So me jump on a bus, I'm a gone down a country. Same thing I want down there. The eco youth, them a fire gun down there. How will the country I come to? Done well, say better me get a gun to. But me not do it. Reaching out to all original daddy. Original father.
What check a sperm donor? You wanna know soldier, how you feel be senior and not neglect your junior. Run when the pressure reach you, Jaja gonna beat you. That's why me have to big up myself, cause me a real father. If I love me son and don't neglect me daughter, take care of me responsibility. Never neglect my dignity. You big up him and from him a real father. If I let him son and don't neglect him daughter, take care of the responsibility. Never neglect them picking. When you turn a daddy at the greatest joy. No matter if it is a girl or a boy, you have to take it serious and not die. You have to feed up, I don't need dirty rough. Look man out a driving a range. If them picnic get a plate of food exchange. And I'll tell the lie, I feel like me I go dead any time without a cry. That's why me have to pick up myself, cause me a real father. If I love me son and don't neglect me daughter. Take care of me responsibility. Never neglect my bikini. You pick up me man for me my real father. If I let him son and don't neglect him daughter. Take care of the responsibility. Never neglect them.
Well, from a little bit, I've been a hustler. All scraper, all paper chaser, left chatting for later. No time waster. Me know fi rise to the top like a vapor. No boy never touch me for money. Me never yet been. No follow people me ever said. When you see the sexy body girl, them we never left them. If you no like me no like you. Me no big friend, I summit and I summit and I summit and. Do me one a thing and me no follow back. A man a chew me chad my own apart. That's why me boss in the phone. Alright then, I saw me stay, I saw me stay, I saw me stay. Don't not penny bill and me no itch and if you pay I chew me chad my own. That's why the girl them a follow.
Baby,
yeah,
I know you gotta go.
I got to go.
But if you just stick around for a little while, but not go overdo it.
Not overdo it.
Baby, I know you gotta go.
I got to go.
But if you just stick around for a little while, but not go overdo it.
Hey, she have the calm over, circle down body. Me catty have the tan in the yard body. Anytime me try go in, she take it and grip me. So me can't get figure no way. Hey, how where she get it from? Me no know enough, but I must see Obia. She work for make me love it so. This a gyal have me lock and me no afraid to say so. With the body where she have me, no one leg go watch it. Man a jealous man and a girl clown. But when she call me and say come me a fi run up and down like a soldier, me stand at attention. Me satisfied with your body, me no want see your next one.
Baby, I know you gotta go. But if you just stick around for a little while, but not go overdo it. Baby, I know you gotta go. But if you just stick around for a little while, but not go overdo it. Watch this. Me have the calm over, second down body. Inside me have the tan in the yard body. Anytime him try go away, me take it and grip him so him can't get figure no way. Hey, good body girl, put your hand them up there. Body no big like said the walls are broke way. Your man go there, stuck there. Lock him down, make him no want go no way. Girl, you know if you take care of yourself. Regular check up, you take care of your health. Your body good under the man, make you know. When you hold on funny man, looking at him face and say, baby, I know you gotta go. But if you just stick around for a little while, but now go overdo it. Baby, I know you gotta go. But if you just stick around for a little while, but now go overdo it.
No man to me tea, girl alone for me ready. Every day in the year we have another girl a fling. Give me Carisha, give me keep. Coulda fat them, coulda sleep. We a bend them up and twist them up and left them on the free. We a count cash when we dip on TV. Them girls sit down and a watch how we have a ball free. Sit down and a catch on the dash. Give me the girl them with the Benz when no crash. Hey, girl your body good, girl your body clean. When you watch the boat, it's like a fashion magazine. Your skin smooth till it a shade. Look like a dream. Not even me can't come close to you clean. You're the real machine.
Walk out all the tick, y'all them.
Clean, machine, clean, machine, clean, machine, 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 clean, machine, clean, machine.
Curvy body bumper thick, not even under looks of it. Me have to call him Michelin or Pirelli, cause you have the grip cool like a AC with the drip. Man and woman have to prep because your body broader than the Bravo AMG. Viral with every clip, when you touch the hip strip. Me did want to just be flip, but now me get to me have to keep. Chassis straight, it never lean. Girl, you like me gasoline, lighting up the night, me queen. Girl, your body,
girl, your body clean. When you watch the boat, it's like a fashion magazine. Your skin smooth till it a shade. Look like a dream. Not even me can't come close to you clean. You're the real machine, machine, machine clean, machine.
Let's represent for the all natural machines. Yes, sir. From the east, where is it be?
Walk out all the thick y'all them. Slimmers and the fatty cause peer problem. Show your sexy body cause it a done them. Anytime you touch the road up your excitement. Big up every natural body girl in a the place. Never make a doctor put no tool in on your waist. Eat your vegetable, drink your water, daylight exercise. Cause that's how you keep your body in a shape.
They don't know so this is Patra.
Let's give it a remix.
You don't know. I could tell them this. Watch this.
See organic, body dynamic. Never cut a thing from my nice clean body. Me still got it, still a black traffic. Natural body, queen rolling, you wanna kid. Me organic, body volcanic. No for them a preach, cause them know so we have it. Naturally, them can't manage. Confidence a peak, never pay down on it.
Me no want no man with feeling can put it on me. Natural body look good and them ever want it. Some say them want me from them saw me, but me mommy say me no feature to man we cry. Say me body yeah you want come work it hard, but Tony and Bernard come burn it. Natural body girl you sing at the morning, you sing at the night, and you know we just sing up.
It's a bounce of lightning and thunder. But the queen them of the real bumper. Say them and a prayer, we them a comfort. Cause them no say that say but they have the real comfort. Enough of them know up them own priority straight. Money a coming but it's a got the wrong place. Me no understand you miss the school fee date, but you spend a couple million for a doctor fee.
Only for hot girl in the place. Them want to wind them ways. Tell them forward in a ace. But the bang bang embrace, yeah.
Early morning low she turn she rise. Back it so good and make sure she call she ties. Smile upon her face, me know she please. Because me no ramp to make them gyal a roll out them eyes. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there.
Wine for you, sweat a drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you full of crack and you can keep up with me energy. What a epic night of it, embedded in your memory. Little bubble up and treat it like a felony.
What you gonna do when there is nobody that do it better than this reggae guy? I can do this every morning, every evening. Have you screaming straight back to sunrise.
Just get in a the position and boss one. Never you forget this is your mission. If you take a girl, man, you have it in a condition and boss one. Take a sip and lose the inhibition. Cause when you dip in it, you start my ignition. See you swinging it and this is my ambition. We give it the legit love and me give it balance and grip on.
Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there.
Stay down there, girl. Stay down there. My time to wine. Let them know say that nobody can stop me shine. Caribbean girl, them ever clean and refine. Girl, just make them know that you are one of a kind.
Girl, them a do it like I pop it through the night. I saw me do it like one thing to tell you, woman, and get me like.
Hey, you girl in the tight up skirt. Hey, you girl in the girl in the hey, you girl in the skirt, tight skirt. Hey, you girl in the tight tight. Hey, you girl, I go like this. Hey, you tight up skirt.
Roddy G is your morning man.
What are we on my hot? What are we everybody just a steer and hot? What are we on my sexy? Can't keep your eyes off me. What are we on my fly? Have the man them I say, oh me, oh my. Them a pretty sky and I ask God, oh why, because me and the girl in the tight up skirt. Me and the girl in the tight up skirt. Wine the way show you up my worth. Wine the way show you up my worth. Me and the girl in the tight up skirt. Me and the girl in the tight up skirt. Wine the way show you up my worth. Wine the way show you up my worth.
I shouldn't see ya. Whether me in a skirt or jeans or short shorts, head raised when me walk past. Me feel the eyes, believe the eye. Me love the lights, me do it despite.
You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I
wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you wine, pretty girl, it groove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.
I do the bounce fire, bounce like bounce check. I do the verb with the noun with the subject. Anything more me happy get you can't object. You fall in love faster than love jet. But she a good feel like a brownie and a straight as steel with no like a broad bean. We a small well thinner than a thin a sardine. Make man get attentive when me walk in.
You're just a true double like Lodi. That is what you're with your body. And when you wine, pretty girl, it groove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true double like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you wine, pretty girl, it groove me.
You know I'm heavy, yeah. And them other girl no ready, me say. I know you see this bumper heavy, yeah. Caution sign, cause me will damage you. Better brace yourself when me back it up. Cause my bumper heavy.
And no ounce make that, then ya bounce, girl, your hip, them a kilogram. A pound and it, till it squeeze you, me love. Dang.
Oh, you mean for tell me so you can't lift it up? Coming like you not drink no peanut punch. Radio, pick it up. Damage, don't tell her I know any man can handle it. So try, don't panic. First you talk like so you coulda manage. Don't ramp with me. Mama heavy booty make you want mention me. Did I put it back your chat?
Your bumper we a ton. Heavy like me Chevy. Leg stick bedrock. Expensive, heavy. Where she said it. Lexi, sexy, sexy.
Request me banana. Me and the girl them banana farmer. You all of them a request me banana. Daylight come and them no want go home. Maybe one time, 2 times, them want more. Daylight come and them no want go home. Maybe 3 times, sometime them want 4. Daylight come and them no want go home. Me have a love seen a girl, she named Cassandra. She tell me say she comes straight from Colombia. So I make her recommend no my banana. Your mama say that's the manana. So me do it. I say me do it, so me do it, so me do it. And girl I tell me say me banana sweet. Them say the length and size make them weigh. You know say that, so me do it. I say me do it, so me do it, so me do it. And girl I tell me say me banana sweet. Them say the length and size make them weigh.
With it, group drop.
Like come and them no want go home. Like come and them no want go home. Baby, what about bye? What about bye?
She got it like
boom bam boom 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 boom.
Tell your body hot and it a burn like fire.
Boom bam boom 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 boom.
It a burn like pepper.
Boom bam boom 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 boom.
You want take my heart and go on. Put it in your pocket before you a wine cry tears if you stop it. Oh God, they got me hooked. Habit, follow you anywhere you go. Profit, mommy got a style on my love. I just wanna rough it up, tough it up in the club. And she hype cause she know she got a buzz. Do what she does, trust me the cause. She got it like
boom bam boom 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 boom.
Girl, your body hot and it a burn like fire.
Boom bam boom 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 boom.
You go on, girl.
Boom bam boom 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 boom.
Girl, your body hot and it a burn like pepper.
Boom bam boom 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 boom.
Take my heart and go on.
Take my heart and run, baby girl, walk one. Take it down and wine now, well. I wanna get up on that, all over your body, girl. I want, and I love you when your back I come back, all over my body. That's all I want. I wanna put you for table, chop you like vegetable. Anytime, baby, get me, I'm available. I wanna put you for table, chop you like vegetable. Anytime you need me, girl, I'm available.
When you need me, don't be afraid. Bring me last round. Drop the pin on your location. Quickly find. Pull up on you something neat with a slick design. We can just chill and you can climax, but climax, but climax, but climax, but climax.
Roddy G is your morning man.
You wind up yourself too much, man. Sit down, sit down.
How my girl then?
Sit down, sit down.
Let them stay.
Whole heap of style I do, whole heap of style I try. Some a drop it on the ground and some a quint it like a high. Conscience tell them fi bubble, him never tell them lie. But at this more make y'all them fi try. Take time and sit down, sit down, sit down. Y'all you fi sit down, sit down, sit down. Grab a chair and sit down. Watch this, watch this. Y'all you fi sit down, sit down, watch this. Sit like a chair and sit down, sit down. Asa, sofa, sit down, sit down. Chatty lippy lippy, don't laugh, nothing funny. Make up your face, till you ugly like mommy. Sit down, sit down. Love when you balance like an acrobat. Drop it like an earthquake, jiggle like the aftershock. Action we say, we don't talk a lot, no bag of chat. Serious like a heart attack. Bend down like Shelly in a the starter block. And your mark get set, you know what come after that. The place wet up, but I know water that. You know this a ticket, you know how to walk.
We send the girl them with the baddest wine step forward. Not the one them we move backward. Cause if you can't wine and go down, make your body touch a gang, then a song ya is not for you. Come on, see me girl and back it up. Every girl if you clap it up. So if you have the baddest wine girl and you enough turn up, just pat it up, sit up.
You ever get it one time, you must have out of your mind. And if you think so, you ever get a one wine, boy not this time. I'm in the mood to get rude, so baby come and bring it here. Whisper something that's in my ear, make my wine my ear. My bump up on your big R6, pop up a wheelie, then my ride whip on it like. I got the motor running, circle like a wheel, baby. Tell me when you're coming. Me know you don't like my ex, I come here make we burn him. Hot up 2 head fiend, years bumper bumming like. Me got the dynamite body, wine from a man like a girl wine for Addy. Yes up, French cut hot, girl now we are click picture take Facebook, tag it. Just hold on and go the road. My stamina is up tonight. Just hold on and go the road. Me I go give sweet loving all night.
Washroom. It's all because of you. I'm never sad, I'm blue. You came my way, now my life is full of sunny days. I love you so, how much you never know. I know you'll never leave me lonely. Baby, send me love, 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 send me love. Come and get my love. Let me introduce you to my love. I hope you never find another love. L-O-V-E, this is love. And when you're all is love, you can't let it go. Cause I'm the best, baby, come and test it now. Handcuffs, baby, arrest me right now. Enough man, I try compete with ya. From ya to St. Lucia. Hey, yeah. Send me love, 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 send me love. Come and get my love. Yeah. Send me love, send me love, send me love, send me love. Come and get my love. Connection is rare to find. That's why when I let you go, I feel that I'm so blessed to be yours. I'm yours. Right there when you need it, I mean it. There's a fire burning bright, even in the darkest night. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me, I stay right by your side. Nothing can change my mind. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. He love you like how short he love Addy. You put a spell on me, I must be hurry. And anyway you let me, I go come for it. Baby, your good love lock me down like Scotty. Sweet like honey, and me home, and me high. And no other man to me, and you want me bonny by that. The feelings them higher than the high that a Bonnie and Clyde. This a Chucky and the bride. There's a fire burning bright, even in the darkest night. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. Me, I stay right by your side. Nothing can change my mind. You are the one I love. You are the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You're the one I love. You are the one I love. I got chills, them
If you're wondering how this got into the juggling, don't worry, I'll make it obvious in a second. Or maybe 30.
Me, you're there by my side. You do anything, make any sacrifice. You know when better do you right. Put your body sitting all night.
So we're into the final half hour of the show. It is a Friday, so I had to infuse it with some dancehall. Yeah, man. We got reggae, we got lovers rock, we got one drop. How about the dancehall? Yeah, man, we've got dancehall music. It is the start of the weekend, and I hope you're in for a wonderful experience this weekend. Make every second count. Yeah, man, just maximize the enjoyment. I'm maximizing my enjoyment playing some of these songs. We're going to play a long time. You know, so we don't really go too hard on the broadcast on the weekday mornings. We usually reserve it for the club. We'll get a little bounce on a Friday. Yeah. So shout outs to everybody on the various platforms, whether you're over there at Twitch. You know, you can follow me using the handle at DJRODDYG. That handle works for almost every platform. Definitely works for Twitch, definitely works for Instagram, and it also works for the YouTube channel. You can lock into your favorite morning show, Roddy for the Road, on See Jamaica Live. You know the handle, you're already there. Just make sure you subscribe and like, alright? And remember, you can also hit that donate button. Help get those cameras where you want to see them. And shout outs to the Facebook family. Yeah, man, I know it's another rough Thanksgiving. Someone no recover yet, so we understand the settings. Shout outs to the folks at BlackScorpioEnterprise.com. Thank you for bookmarking that page and listening 24/7. He comes your way next. I'm talking about Jack Scorpio. He'll be on in just a few. Yes, I. And you have Jamaica's best JB on Black Scorpio Enterprise on a Sunday afternoon from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. So that's some of the things you can look forward to this weekend in terms of musical programming. Jack Scorpio takes you on today, tomorrow, and Sunday. As for me, I'll be back on Monday. But we're not done yet. We still got 25 minutes left inside the show. Dancehall music continues. Take this one, the collaboration between Shaggy and Alkaline. That Love. We'll take it from start and continue with the juggling. Juggling, juggling, juggling like this.
Nothing to me, you're there by my side.
Let me say good morning to Millicent. Glad for you to check in. Oh, Jack no work on Fridays. You sure, Christine? You might be right.
When I'm see I'm a trick her, 'cause I won't fight this feeling anymore. Woman, no other girl can't take your crown. You do your preliminaries already on your own. You know the boss of my system and your own, and you never violate. You are just an old young. But you don't have to worry, 'cause me coming now. We could have left already, but we only know. We might stop the question, you never know. Tell me when again can we be alone?
class out. I think on your two please for your parts out. Any pony girl, many pon many. Pretty girl with a body, anybody. You me need a pretty type from a table. She call man's the first time turn a big rest of history, if you know what I mean. Me say, hey pretty girl, what you doing out there? So she hurting a lover, now she don't care. Pretty girl with a body, with a mad anybody. So me take her off for the scene. You're right up. Me a ganja man round her, everybody I know drama. She come round and see for herself, so me do whatever the fuck we wanna. Me say you're not ready, she say nah sir. See the liquor just a kick, you know what touch her. I fit take with that cause she a scratch her. Stand round, back it up inna the corner. Baby you a dancer, you look so innocent, no wouldn't think you want her. She want, no ask me what she do with it, you know the answer. You're pretty and you're elegant. None of yourself, but you're ever relevant. All natural, nothing, no enhance. All when you cover it every night. Baby, man cheat, but woman cheat. We mess around with just the wrong people. Man a wicked, then man a evil. Call us spade, the spade, to what we evil. Pretty girl, no say typical. Give me all of your love, me give you reciprocal. Man if you want me, give you the lyrical. But you're in a person, you're the physical.
Them want and can't see me. Just what hear me, hear them a asking me. Me the woman I watch them through me window. Yeah. Think them cheeky but me skiller than a ninja. Just them. Me a drive through the journey of life with no passenger. Coulda never put me trust in a man, me just put in ja. Hear me? Straight. Some man are there forever. My God so special to me. Hear me? Me no need nobody. When you have God, you no need nobody.
When the road seem rocky and bad, man still I give thanks. Whoa. One thing we know, I will always give thanks for my life. Oh. Every single day that I survive, oh. I will always give thanks for my freedom. And just swap some girl till my time come.
When me touch down, bed I broke down. In a late night, me and her locked up. She found I ride a shotgun. In a my dark glass, cut off shots, clocks well clean. Touch you, see a girl up on a corner, cry and a scream. You know say the boss a fiend intervene, she say. I'm a knock, give her the time, so of course I know say me go give her the wine. Now she say, oh me is a one of a kind, and that's how she became mine. And see that, can't believe I take him girl away from me, my God. Can't believe him can't believe I take him girl away. Beautiful, 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 yeah. Beautiful, 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 yeah. Baby, I tell you that you're beautiful. Girl, wind up your body and brace up your body for me. Beautiful. Girl, your face and shape, girl, gimme, 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 gimme. Beautiful. Me girl, wind up your body and brace up your body for me. Beautiful. Girl, your face and your shape, girl, gimme, 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 gimme. And it, girl, you can ring my bell. With your sexy physique, girl, you're fine as hell. I tell you that the way that the wine got me under spell. Yo, look on it. She showing me the signs to come over, so might as well. Me no kiss and tell, girl, very well. Beautiful. Girl, wind up your body and raise up your body for me. Beautiful. Girl, your face and shape, girl, gimme, 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 gimme. Beautiful. Me girl, wind up your body and raise up your body for me. Beautiful. Girl, your face and your shape, girl, yeah. Lazy body no want a lazy body. Lazy body no want a lazy body. Lazy body no want a lazy body. Lazy body no want a lazy body.
Good morning.
What them gyal want so fuck?
Yeah. Lazy body no want a lazy body. 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 Girl wind up like a crazy funny. Girl I do the car track in the road and alley. Watch out that girl they a wine past body. Girl do the
spot. Walk out, make everybody see your body. When your favorite song drop, broke out 'cause you no cater to nobody. You no own no girl, and you no have on no girl clothes. So next time when the video man pass, walk up in the light and pose. Girl, your body gooder than gold mine. Walk up and look and wine. Girl, you know you are the man sunshine. Walk up and look and wine. Hey girl, it's on a boring time. Walk up and look and wine. Your body fit like Shelly Olympic time. Walk up and look and wine.
Yeah, how the party I look so. Da, how the party I look so. How my girl them turn up and I look so. Where you do to me?
Selector, bounce when you feel the girl them bubble. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play a song, the girl star bus blank. Now the girl them time, play a song, the girl white. Watch big selector a play, you know rookie. Catch the bass and watch the girl them a should be hey. When the girl them a dip it and a drop it, you a funny man. If you not happy, follow me then. Girl a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for left, what you talking about? Road me live, me no want see no house. We a rave and a wait, and the sun fi come out. Girl a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, bubble, them a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble. Alright then, y'all live on head top and spin like you. Me have to ask if some of them like you. Watch the one day with the wire waist. Watch your body there, yo that. Look how that. Cock up, girl, show your talent and skill. Red label wine, you a turn on the thrill. It a bust inna me head like grenade. But all when me talking, delete me not left. Y'all a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for left, what you talking about? Road me lit, me no want see no house. Me a rave and a wait, and the sun fi come out. And a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, bubble, them a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, bubble, girl a bubble, a bubble, a bubble, a bubble. Hey girl, hey girl, why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine to the broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you are ramp with? On no game. Anytime you're ready, girl. So me name. The place get wet like in a rain. Then I make you feel high like on a plane. She say I saw the love, the art. Baseline sweet and I touch the spot. Dancing, she love do that. Girl, coach the chat. From wine to the broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your.
I see ways I move. I love to see your ways I move, girl. I wanna see your ways I move, ways I move, ways I move, girl. I wanna see ways I move. I love to see your ways I move, girl. I wanna see your ways I move, ways I move. I wanna see you.
I listen down to the roll it down. When you are white, hold it down. Bend it up, cut it up, fold it down, rock out. Now I control it down. Take the nigga and roll up your bumper. Take the nigga and shake up your road. Take the nigga 'cause you know say you're plumper. Maga girl stiff like
they never see a.
How we the girl with the big bumper then? How we the girl with the big bumper then? Bust a wine show them you got in it. A big bumper time now.
They never see a girl with a bad song yet. They never see a girl with a bad song yet. Girl, me never see a girl like you. You want to see a she a ice and wine, ice and wine. Wine up your body for me one more time. Ice and wine, girl. Your skin smooth and your look so refined. Ice and wine, ice and wine. Love how you flow your waistline. You know sour like a lime. No, you know juky like a pine. Girl, how you can wine so like you're there upon a whining mission. Girl, you must come from the Caribbean. Girl, how you shape good so. Hey, girl, how you sexy so. Girl, you're there upon a whining mission. You must come from the Caribbean, baby. She a whining vixen, call her that. Every man want her, she's all that. Reputation good, she's not a harlot. And me like her harlot. When you go on your hand, girl, what you call that? You a flight attendant or pilot. Wind up your body to some Charlie Black song. My girl.
flippergram, flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Y'all wind up on my body, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, the wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wine your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy. Girl, you a party animal. To own your wine, you drive me crazy. Girl, you a party animal. You wine so good, you just so good. Girl, me love how you party. She take one shot, two shot, three shot. After 9 minutes, come back. She take off the shoes and on the dance floor. She start to cook out like a sword. Then she approach me just like a cure. And knows that she like me tonight, me a score. She sexy, she beautiful and she pure. Girl, and you me a do so. Wind up on my body, girl. Wind up like a carnival. Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, the wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Me and you come wine your waistline for me. Everybody know when time we touch down is
Fine, fine, fine. Every man put your hand up. Every girl start whining. Mash it up. Fine, 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 fine. Every girl just start to wine for a man. No look back at him. Wine for a man. No look back at girl. Just wine for a man. No look back at him. Everybody know every time we wine for a man. No look back at him. Wine for a man. No look back at him. Just wine for a man. No look back at him. Everybody know every time we don't have no behavior. Total disorder. Don't cross the border. Don't cross the border. Bartender, hurry up with my order. Boy, the whole place gets turned over. Can't play my such a fake powder. Everybody know every time. That's the show. Good morning. Fine, fine, fine. Hand up every girl. That's my show. Fine, fine, fine. Go hard and pull up. Mash it up. Fine, fine, fine. Every man put your hand up. Every girl start wine. No, they can't drink like we. No, they can't drink like we. No, they can't drink like we. No, they can't drink. No, they can't drink. No, they can't drink. No, they can't drink like we. No, they can't drink.
Yeah. We here for us this time. For a long time.
Yo, Viking, ding dong. A ding dong, ravers. Bring me another round.
Watch this now.
Okay.
Bring a buckle of rum, we party in the sun. Bring a buckle of rum, we party in the sun. Bring a buckle of rum, we party in the sun. Bring a buckle of rum, we party in the sun. Bring a buckle of rum, we party in the sun. Bring a buckle of rum, we party in the sun. Bring a buckle of rum, we party in the sun. Bring a buckle of rum, jump again. I'm drinking. Oh Lord.
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful, like them on the dance, I'll get grappled. And I'm rum and Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful, like them on the dance, I'll get grappled.
Me start the day with a flask cranberry with ice in a glass. Satellite can't find me last. Buy me one liquor, cause me and me one boss. Drink for junk that me endorse. After the flask, then we move to the quart. Tell the bartender the bill restart. Coconut rum me use, wash off me heart. If you hide and drink, then you must.
Half a bunch to go and tell me about a crash off a bike. Me lose me visa, but everything nice. Big up the teacher, car future bright. No worry about the car way. I'm okay, because me clean every day. Clocks them a beat me change 3 times a day. Buy out on the bar, and me a money fi pay. You know it's a rasta not stray. I'm okay. If you look a girl, me no shy. Money stack and pipe straight up to the sky. Batman serious, me not tell no lie. Me not turn no GUI. I'm I couldn't wait them a stop. Dig up the sign, make a plant up the crop. All ganja man, you know how me a chop. The other day me police stop. Them say Beanie Man, me yes, some of the ride and crash. Bound to go to jail, but him just come back. Chupa put it by YouTube by your thing that. My career them now.
Me nah sell out my friend, nah but this my friend. Be a blessing, me son. Please your guide and protect them. Nah sell out my friend, nah but this my friend. Be a blessing, me son.
Cause my friends them know we no pre-bad energy. Cargo rise make menacing. And burn out bad mind, dirty heart and jealousy. Good friend better than pocket kind. So me keep my friend them close to mine. And me no hang them like close to line. But some friendship a waste of time. Nah say no my friend. Nah but this my friend. Be a blessing me say. Please your guide and protect them.
Even though things well ration, still I don't keep my big key and Japan. Down a town on me shop for my fashion. Want a clocks on me shot for the cash on. Even though man I hustle every day. When Friday come man can't see them away. No father got light and shine for me. So me nah go stray for nobody. One day, me know me have to get my pay. One day,
now the girl is up. I go to watch a girl. Sure, them girls stand up. Them girls stand up. Every girl in the dance to the them girls stand up. Ball it up, big girl, you no ramo. Like ya. Sure. But if you walk out and be at the stand up, good clothes you know wear old bro. No man can't left you and you mash up. If a girl you talk, tell her to talk up. But if you walk out, be at the stand up, good clothes you know wear old bro. No man can't left you and you mash up. If a girl you talk, tell her to talk up.
Hold on, a shame for be the last one in my party where everybody around go. Oh, a Friday. Everything get cut short on Friday. Work get cut short and everything get cut short on Friday. A real Jamaican no be. A real Jamaican no be. Hey, thank you so much for being my companion for the entire week, Sparky. Thank you so much for everybody who was my companion this morning, who has been my companion this morning. I really appreciate love it. Yes, I. Wishing you a wonderful weekend as well. A wonderful day. We're not even reached the weekend yet. Just take it moment by moment. Savor every moment, all right? Yeah, man. Pick up the item himself. Make every moment count. And remember, if somebody anger you, he who angers you controls you. Don't make nobody push your buttons today, all right? Yeah, man. Be in control of your emotions, of your temperament. Don't make nobody break you out of your shell. Come out on your own terms, alright? Yes, I. So we have what, 5 more minutes to juggle? 5 more minutes. But no, say I don't really dance all people. You know? That's why I take it easy with them. You know? Yes, this is me taking it easy. Not going too hardcore. Still I deal with them gently. Yes, sir. If for the Christmas party no book already, I'm still free for the weekend of the 21st. I'm booked up until the 15th, I believe. Yeah, but the following weekend I'm still clear. So if you need me, call me now. So I could juggle out the next few minutes now. Yeah, man, let's have some fun. I still gotta behave myself. I gotta keep it clean. Because, you know, that's how we do when we're on the international radio, right? We deal with it decent. So I could deal with it decent now.
Sure, but if you walk out and be at the stand up, good clothes you know wear old bro. No man can't left you and you mash up. If a girl you talk, tell her to talk up. But if you walk out, be at the stand up, good clothes you know wear old bro. No man can't left you and you mash up. If a girl you talk, tell her to talk up. Girl you rule you and you come first. When you go and dance, money stash in your purse. Visit the bar, you're not dead from thirst. When you see some girl, me say all the earth. Tell them to talk if them have something to say. God, none of your kids, them you never dash away. Your man now left you over here. Say up in the middle and pose and tell them go away. But if you walk out and be at the stand up, good clothes you know wear old bro. That man can't left you and you mash up. If a girl you talk, tell her to talk up. But if you walk out, be at the stand up, good clothes you know wear old bro. That man can't left you and you mash up. If a girl you talk, tell her to talk up.
A long time me no do a tune for the girl them boy. This a one yard the wife and them woman. If you know you not no man problem, just break out and wave your man them. Girl from you know the yard. You a wife, you no run from the dog. You a wife. From when Valentine's Day come you get a teddy bear or your card. You a wife. You know him full name though. You a wife. Get money for do your ear though. You a wife. Now me hear me a word a fling and up a talk boring. How are them here bo? You a wife. When every girl tell a girl to come off of your gear. Don't left no message from your Facebook page. You know if you have no ring you and the man engage in all kind of things. When him come on your place. After no
tree now growing on your face. Regular him carry you one day. You not be anticipate and a wait like it. You don't graduate from it. You know the yard. You a wife, you no run from the dog. You a wife. From when Valentine be gonna get to the beer or your dad. You a wife, you a wife.
I had a dream last night that I fell in love with somebody else's man. I had a dream last night that I fell in love with somebody else's man. By the looks of things, though it felt so good, I could tell that it was wrong. You often hear about Joe Grind, but this time his name was John. Please, Lord, don't let this woman catch me with her man. Nobody make she catch me. Nobody make she know. Me say nobody make she catch me. Nobody make it show. Big woman, I want you and my sweetheart to be friends. Hear me now, babe. You know me have something that you really need to discuss still. Big woman, I want you and my sweetheart to be friends. That's the only way this misery will end. Cause I do not like to lie, but I just don't have a choice. So I want you and my sweetheart to be friends. Hey, decision to make, but me can't make my mind up. On which contract me for sign up. Can't spend the money while the next year the time. But me need both, me no want change course. Cause one provide what the next can supply. And you look good, but me still need the finance. Me wish the two of you could just compromise and see eye to eye and work with it. Cause you don't know, say you are the better half. But with him in my life, me better off. Cause the other day when you get laid off, I want call me make on every bill clear off. I want you and my sweetheart to be friends.
Couldn't help but to drop this one for the ladies. Me nah condone it. Me nah endorse it. Me nah support it. But just find the music funny. Big up to all of the ladies in situations like these. Like this next one.
You Satan.
This is how I leave it this here Friday morning.
Really just
shout out to all the baby mothers, the significant others.
My baby father, I'm love.
Ball out to them baby father. Baby, say no, I love you.
You know, you're my son.
Oh, you love him, Queen Africa?
I love you.
What?
My father, I'm love.
She sound like she love him, don't?
Really just love you. You know, you're my son. But me give her this something about 3 times.
What she mean? What she give her? What she a talk about? Hey, this is how I leave you this here Friday morning. God bless and keep you. As I said, make every moment count. May you have a wonderful day and an amazing weekend. Look forward to seeing you on Monday morning. Remember all the platforms that we're asking you to support. Go over there and bookmark BlackScorpioEnterprise.com. Listen to great Jamaican authentic music right there 24/7. And of course, you can also follow Maurice Johnson on Facebook. Make sure you find the YouTube account. I think it is Jack Scorpio 1125 on YouTube, I think. But you can always check out the feed and check in with Jack to find out the details. All right, and be sure to follow my own account at DJ Roddy G. Use that handle on all social media platforms to find me, follow me, and support me. I'll leave you this one, Queen Africa. She love her baby father.
My baby father, I'ma love you. I really just, you know, you're my son. I love you. I love you. My baby father, I'ma love you. I really just love you. You know, you're my son. But me give her this something about 3 times. When me did ask for some me time. Money never did there and you broke everything. I'm really the feel for some meat kind excuses. Not really going fix things. The two of us right now are victims. Me really should I tell you from the day when we meet. Say me a one girl we just love things. You should never run a car if you come look me. That the kind of just shake it. If me didn't know then you wouldn't get nothing. Can't walk foot boy can't date me.